All right, this video is how to use the alarm on your iPhone. First of all, you've got to go to your clock. Click on it. Bam. And it pulls it up. All right, I'm in the world clock. On the bottom of this, you're going to see there's a bunch of different settings on this toolbar. What you want to do if we're going to do the alarm is go to alarm. You're going to click on alarm. And then what it's going to do, it's going to bring up this page here. And I have it set for 2 different times, 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. But you'll notice that it's off. So to turn that on, I'm going to click here. All right. If you want to turn it off, you just click like that. If you want to add a time, you go here. And then you can just add that time right there. And you click here. And now I've added that 12 o'clock time. Now if I want to edit these, what I do is go here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this to get rid of it. It's going to bring up this delete. I'm going to hit that. Bam, that's gone. I'm going to get rid of the 8 a.m. too. Bam, that's gone. And that's how you set the alarm. Add another time on here. All right. So now in here, if you want to have a different ringtone for your alarm, you're going to click this. And then you can pick, this is the one they have right now. This is what you're going to hear. But you can pick any one of these. But I'm going to leave it on the default one. You can also put a song in there if you want. Now let's go back. So now we're in there. And then the label, you can label the alarm. So you can call this wake up. Done. So now it's called, you've labeled it wake up, right? And the repeat, it says, all right, so you want to repeat it every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday. So you just check these and the alarm will work on all those days. If you don't want it to work on those days, you just turn it off like that. Go back. All right, and here's where you set the alarm. So let's say right now it's 12:25. I'm going to go 12:26 and I'm going to save that and we're going to see the alarm go off here in a second. So as you can see, we set our alarm for 12:26 and it's PM because it's the afternoon. Right now it's 12:25. So I'm hoping in a couple of seconds the alarm goes off so that you guys can hear it. As you can see, it's on because it's got the green and the buttons to the right. The buttons to the left, and then it's gray, it's off. There we go. Wake up. So I don't know if you heard it or not. It wasn't very loud. But that's how you use the alarm. That's it right there. And if you want to set your bed stuff, you can go here. And that's a whole nother video. And we'll go over that in another one. But if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff in your clock. Peace out.